So after around 5 months, I'm again going to clean my PC. It's a laptop. So usually the reason why your laptop is getting heated because the law of thermodynamics works here. हीट आता है, ट्रैप हो जाता है, बाहर नहीं निकल पाता है। रीजन ये जो आप देख रहे हो फैन, इसके अंदर ये जो छोटी छोटी परत होती है वो धूल जम जाती है। तो जितनी इसकी कैपेसिटी होती है ना आपके लैपटॉप को ठंडा करने की, वो नहीं कर पाती है। और मैं माधापुर जैसे जगह में रहता हूँ और यहाँ पे बहुत कंस्ट्रक्शन होता रहता है, तो वो धूल वो खींचता है और वो अटक जाता है। सो वंस यू क्लीन अप योर लैपटॉप वर्क्स फास्टर। Along with that, today I'm going to put a SSD in it. It's a 2000 GB, it's a 2 TB SSD NVMe. And the interesting part is I had bought this in August 2025, August 18th precisely, I remember, because I'd bought similar. Um, no, sorry, I'd bought in August that was for 10,000, the same thing, and then I bought this on October, so it had cost around 11,000 something, so 12,000. And guess what? What's the price of this particular SSD now? Now, current price. It's around 29,000. My goodness. I'm glad I had bought it, but I had not used it, knowing that I might need some space. But I don't need more space for my work. But I'm trying something new. I'm going to install Comfy UI, which is you can run AI models, AI video models, image models on your laptop. So my laptop has 64 GB RAM, 12 GB GPU graphics card. So it's a very good workstation to generate AI videos. So other than paying um, there's various websites, I can run it on my system. For that I need a extra space, and a 2 TB is good enough. So Comfy UI takes around 1 TB of space, and the rest 1 TB can be used for all the other plugins and APIs that I can install on that. So this goes here, the one where all the C and everything is installed is here. This is the RAM portion. You can see the two RAMs, 32, 32, 64. So we'll do the cleaning part now, and I'll install this later. I think I should do the installation part first. Let me install this because later there'll be lots of dust here and it might create issues. So this thing goes here, Tachak and Tuchuk and Pachak. Yeah, so this is installed. पता नहीं रखने की नहीं पे रख देते हैं. इसके ऊपर हीट सिंक भी आता है, but I think we don't need it. So we're done with the installation of the SSD. Its connection is basically SATA, so it's faster. So all I'll do is I'll take this pimple popper. It really helps. I've always used this. Go inside these fans and just move them like this. So what happens? The dust that has got accumulated there, it loosens, and later I use such fans. For example, see now. I'll switch it on. So that. So it takes away half of the. So see, places where I had scratched, it has gone clean. That's the use of this. And later you can use the painting brushes and just dab this way, so all the dust gets loosened. And see, it becomes easier, so the air passes well and your laptop remains cooler and calmer. So now that I put this, you see so much of dust will come out. See that? So we're done with the fan cleaning and installation of the new SSD, and we'll put the lid back. Oh, but there's lots of dirt here. I'll clean it and just pack it up. So this is Asus Strix Scar 16 2023 model. Glad I bought it then. It was affordable. Now the price of this kind of laptop will go around 4.5 lakhs because of the increase in price of all the elements. But if you want to practice AI and other stuff, this is a very good laptop to have. You can carry it to places and also run your AI models and stuff. So see you. Bye bye.